Hello. Today we're going to build a lesson on chemistry. This is just an example of how to do a quick formative assessment with students on what they have learned so far. You can ask for volunteers to come up to the board or even ask the whole class to go through a number of examples together. To begin, we're going to add wording to the lesson using the text tool. For this example, I am going to be using potassium sulfate. All right, now that I have all the responses typed in, it's time to add the boxes using the shapes tool. I decided to make boxes, so go ahead and make them the size that you want and then copy and paste them to have next to all of the different responses. Now that we have the boxes next to all the responses here, we can add green check marks for the right answers and a red X for the wrong answers. You can get these already built by clicking on the Shapes tool and click on the drop down, and you'll see that there are check marks and there are also X's already built for you. So for this example, I like to make the checkmark green and the X's red. So I click on the checkmark, go here, go to the line color and choose green. For the X, click on it, and then go to the line color red. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and move this over to the box and resize as necessary. Copy and paste if you need more for the right responses. And do the same for the X's. All right, now we have all of the check marks and X's in the boxes. And so what we need to do is create another box to go over the top of it and then add an animation so that it goes away as soon as the student or teacher will actually choose it by clicking on it or on the smartboard by selecting it. So what I like to do is just click on the box, copy and paste. Now, if you try to put it over the box right now, it's going to be clear, so that's not going to help us out. Go to the fill color, go to white, and now it will cover the box. Just copy and paste this to cover all of the boxes. All right, now that we've added all the boxes to cover the other boxes, we are going to add an animation for the top boxes. Now you can do this by clicking on all of the boxes, by holding Control and clicking all of them. And you can either go over here on the tab to do the effect, or you can also right click, go to Properties, Object Animation, and then click on Fade Out. So now, whenever you select the box, it will actually fade out. As you can see here, I also added a line to separate between ionic and molecular, and also for the different formula, since there are two different questions here. And to make it a little bit more interesting, I added the beaker here and also just the questions right here, just something you can add, and even changing the color to make the title stand out. If you want to come back to this and reset it, you can actually go to another one of your pages and then come back and it automatically resets for you. Thanks for watching.